Namaskar dosto. Today is 19th Jan 2021. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review it. This channel is my journey in stock market, where on this video I specifically talk about my trades on Nifty and Bank Nifty and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So for today, our trade plan was to sell on rise. But what actually happened on Nifty today? That Nifty gapped up and started showing an upside move. So we had 14,350 as a very strong support. So on the first 15-minute candle, we had a strong up move. Then we as trade plan on 14,411, we started showing a reversal, and I was pretty sure that we will have some kind of resistance. What we will see on 14,350. But interesting, which caught my eye today morning was a dollar index. So when I looked into dollar index, I realized that the dollar index has started going down. It means that emerging market will now again see a good amount of liquidity and markets will come up. And that's exactly what happened today. On this particular green bar, I went against my trade plan, and when I seen a price reversal here, I entered with a minimum number of quantity for 14,500 CE, which I came out on this particular red bar. Then I again tried to make one more entry on this green bar, and which I exited on this green bar. And after that, I did not take any trade. So today, I had a profit of around 2,800 800 rupees. So that's the day for me today. I did not. It could have been a good day if I would have gone with the my normal quantities and have been little aggressive on my trade plan. Again, the mistake which I am making is playing with my stop loss, and this is one dirty habit which I have, which I need to start improving on. So now for tomorrow, let's see what we have in store. So when we look in Nifty after two consecutive red day, today we had seen good reversal, and this green bar is very positive because it has taken off the last red bar, and it is closed above 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200-day moving average. So in daily basis, Nifty is in uptrend. When we look into 15-minute chart of Nifty, Nifty is closed above 8, above 20, above 200, and above 50-day moving average. So in 15-minute also, the trend is up. So Nifty is coming back in action, and the uptrend continues. So tomorrow, our trade plan is my trade plan is to buy on dip. Tomorrow, I may require to go out on field. If I do so, then I'll not make any trade. But my trade plan, if I don't go, then my trade plan will be to buy on dip. So uh, tomorrow, our level for tomorrow is we have a pivot for tomorrow, which is at 14,472, and L1 at 14,467, and L2 at 14,413. So if the market is in uptrend and if the trend is strong, then any decline towards pivot, we will see a reversal. So based on that theory, I would go on buy on dip at closer to pivot and L3. This also will become a very strong support, since it is also a monthly pivot, that is 14482. It is a monthly pivot, and that is also a conjunction of a 200-day and 20-day moving average. So breaking this pivot will be a good challenge for market tomorrow. And if it breaks, then second buying opportunity will come at 14413, which is L4 and closer to S1, with a stop loss below 14353 or a day low or below S1, which will be a 15-day moving average, with a target to hit on I'm sorry, with a target of 14628 or 14575. So first target is 14575, which is closer to the monthly resistance of 14566, and if it managed to cross that, then it will be 14628, which is the second target. So buy on dip closer to pivot. That's the best case scenario for us for Nifty tomorrow. Again, on Bank Nifty, I did not take any trade, but on Bank Nifty also on daily basis, it has closed above 820 and or major moving average. So the trend is up. Today's green bar has taken the yesterday's red bar completely, so it confirms the uptrend. On a 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has closed above 8, above 200, above 20, and above 50. So here also the trend is quite up. And Bank Nifty from a very bottom corner is now moving up. So doing analysis is one part of a business and executing it is another part of business. I was pretty sure during my weekly wrap that at this bottom at the 31965, one should take a long position, and this should be carry forward for the target of 32,927, but I did not take that trade. So anyways, for tomorrow, the strategy is buy on dip. So tomorrow we have our pivot for Bank Nifty at 32,340, which is also L3 on Camarilla, and L4 on Camarilla is 32,173. And something in between we have 32,296, which is the last week magical line, and conjunction of 200 and 50-day moving average. So this zone is a very good zone and a very good support for a Bank Nifty tomorrow. So if we get any correction in this zone, then it is a buy on dip market with the target of 32,890 and 32,711. So there's the plan for tomorrow. Market has come back in the action, and Lalaji is moving ahead. So buy on dip on Nifty and Bank Nifty closer to pivot. That's the plan for tomorrow. I hope this discussion has added value to your trading idea and trade setup. Please give me your comment. Do not forget to like this video if you think if you agree with my idea, and share it with your friends. And do subscribe on my YouTube channel. Detail is on my profile. So be healthy and Jai Hind.